Which of the following is the capital city of Bahrain? Manama, Baku, Lusaka, Nassau. The correct answer is Manama. What do you call a place where plants are sold? Nursery, greenhouse, farm, plantation. The correct answer is nursery. What is the center target on a dartboard called? Eye shot, power ring, bullseye, center point. The correct answer is bullseye. In the brunch classic Eggs Benedict, how are the eggs prepared? Boiled, scrambled, poached, fried. The correct answer is poached. When a website can't be found, which error code usually appears on the screen? 202, 303, 404, 505. The correct answer is 404. Tennis legend Roger Federer hails from which country? Austria, Switzerland, Germany, France. The correct answer is Switzerland. What natural force is mainly responsible for the rise and fall of ocean tides? The Earth's rotation, the Moon's gravity, the Sun's heat, ocean currents. The correct answer is the Moon's gravity. Which of these animals has a backbone? Earthworm, starfish, frog, jellyfish. The correct answer is frog. Which electromagnetic wave has the shortest wavelength? Infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. The correct answer is gamma rays. What do you call a dome-shaped shelter made of blocks of snow and ice? Chalet, igloo, yurt, cabin. The correct answer is igloo. Which nation did the United States go to war with in 1812? France, Mexico, Great Britain, Spain. The correct answer is Great Britain. Which tech company was originally known as Research in Motion Limited? Nokia, BlackBerry, Motorola, Ericsson. The correct answer is BlackBerry. What was the name of the rapid, coordinated military attacks used by Germany during World War II? Blitzkrieg, Cold War, Trench Warfare, Operation Barbarossa. The correct answer is Blitzkrieg. Which African nation successfully resisted colonization by European powers? Egypt, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Kenya. The correct answer is Ethiopia. What is the term for a covered marketplace commonly found in Middle Eastern or Asian countries? Bazaar, plaza, arcade, market hall. The correct answer is bazaar.